Hi everyone, Brenda Gustin here. I wanted to show you how when you're using Brightspace, if you want to allow a student to see something that you posted, but you don't want everyone in the class to have access to it, how do you do that? And in my situation, if a student is sick or they miss class for some reason that they've talked to me about, I might give them an option to watch the lecture remotely. And so what I have is I have a list of videos of lecture. You can see here in my I have different modules, and so there's videos of lectures, but I don't want everybody going to those videos. I just want certain students to be able to see them. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Course Tools and go to Groups. And what you need to do is you need to create a group for each student. And what I do is I'm in Manage Groups. I go to New Category. And the category name I'm going to just call Microbiology Students. And you can put a description there if you want. And here you're going to get you're going to get to select how you're going to make your groups. Now you might have used this, or you might use this to put groups together for students working on projects. But in this case, I just want to put every individual student in their own group. So here I have single user member specific groups. I'm going to click that. And I don't need to click any of these other things. And I'm going to save. And I'm going to say OK. Now on my computer, it goes to this not authorized thing. I have no idea why, but I ignore it. And I just go back to my course, and it seems to work. So the next thing I want to do is I'm back in my course, and I want to go back to these lecture videos of lectures. And so here's my first one. I already put them in here, but you could do this as you're putting them in. So here they are, and what I can do is I can click on here and edit properties in place. So that's something you can do as you're adding that initially. And one of the things you'll notice with edit properties in place is this little thing that says dates, add dates and restrictions. So what we want to add is a restriction. So right now I have this file closed. It's hidden from all viewers. So I'm going to click on that, and you can add certain dates for this to happen. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can do that. And my release conditions, I'm going to create them. And my condition type is going to be based on group enrollment. So remember what we just did is we put every student in their own group. So I'm going to pick group enrollment. And then I'm going to pick one of those students. And it turns out this is the student that needs that allowance to be able to watch the video. And I'm going to click Create. And so what you notice right here, it says member of group, and there's the name of the student, and that student will have access to this file and no one else will. So she'll be the only one for which this isn't hidden. Now the one thing you got to remember is you have to update. So always make sure you click the update when you're done. And here you are. Here I'm still in my videos of lectures section, and it says I have this one group, this one student that's going to be able to see this. Okay, so again, I can do it, and that's all there is to it. If you want to see it again, I'm just going to go on the drop down, edit properties in place, go to dates and restrictions, I'm going to go my release conditions create. Here I'm going to go by group enrollment, and I'm going to pick that student again because actually she's going to miss 2 lectures. And don't forget to click update because sometimes I'm like, how? I thought I did that. Well, yeah, if you don't click update. Okay, so that's going to show up right there. So there you go. Hope that helps.